guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing an unboxing or unbagging of my new baby, my new bag from Saint Laurent. I got this bag from Saks. It did come in a box, but it was an ordinary brown box with a sticker that said Saint Laurent and the image of the box. So I didn't want to unbox it because the box was just underwhelming. But anyway, so this is the bag that I've wanted for so long. I actually wanted this color bag, but I didn't know what brand would have this color bag. And Saint Laurent had this bag, but with a different hardware, which I'll tell you, gold. And it just did not look good. And the color it was didn't go with the gold. So when Saks had the color that I wanted with the silver hardware, I knew I had to get it. So now I'm going to reveal this bag to you guys. It is so gorgeous. Are you ready for it? Here she is. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. Let me take the tassel out. This is the YSL Lou Camera Bag in, I think, Asphalt with silver hardware. Now, they had the same bag in, I think, a lighter gray, but with gold hardware, and it just didn't look right. This is actually my second time purchasing this bag. The first time I got it from Saks, which was a lot cheaper. It was black with the gold hardware. And the reason why I returned it is because this part of the bag, when I close it, you'll see, it looked, I just didn't like the way it looked. I didn't like the way it felt. So I just returned it and I got the toy Lulu instead. And I'm happy with my toy Lulu. But then I missed this bag. I was like, you know what, let me get it. And it's in the color, like I said, that I liked. So I'm like, all right, let me try it out. Got it, and for some reason, it feels better. The first time, the material felt like cheap leather, but this one, it feels really nice and really, you know, supple. I don't know if they changed the material. Who knows? I don't know. But anyway, so this is the bag. Let me take this stuff out. This is the first time I'm actually unbagging the bag. I haven't used the bag. I haven't really done anything with the bag. As soon as I got it, I looked at it, I took a picture, posted on Instagram, and I put it away until I was ready to do my video. So I'm gonna take all the stuff out. This stuff fits so much. This actually was 4 of these stuffing, but it was hard for me to hide the straps and the tassel inside. So I decided just to take one of the stuffing out to store it. And it comes with this, I guess, paperwork. I'm not gonna open it because I usually don't open it. I just leave it. Maybe I should open it. Should I? I don't know, I'm being so weird. No, it's not important. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, so this is just the care card. And this is the inside of the bag. This is the strap. The strap, let me see. Yes, the strap is adjustable. It has a lot of straps. I have it on the shortest setting because I'm a short person. Inside has a back pocket. And there is no front pocket. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So I'm going to show you what fits in this bag. I have my Sienna PM. Oh, okay. So a lot just happened. My camera position moved and then my Apple Pencil flew out. But it still looks good. I just want to make sure that you guys are still in frame. All right, so let's take the Apple Pencil out with the iPad. Let's see if, like I was saying, this is my Sienna PM that I'm currently using for work. I was using my Never Full, but I decided to change it up. So this is it. And the iPad Mini 6 generation does fit in here with the pencil. And there's a lot of room left. Let's see what else. I'll take my mini pochette that has all girly stuff in it. Well, deodorant isn't girly stuff, but you know what I mean. It has deodorant, perfume, hair tie. Has some little medical stuff like Band-Aid and Pepto, lip pencil, and what is this? Hand cream and eyeglasses wipes, Benadryl, cough drops, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna fit that in here, and it fits with no issues, and it has some more room. All right, let's do my card holder. Cover some stuff. This is also YSL, but it's in black with silver hardware, so it matches perfectly. Put that in there. Let's put it, let's see, standing up, and it fits. All right, my house keys right next to that, and let's do my car key. Yeah, my bag's a mess. Let's put that there. Okay, let's see if I can add anything else because the iPad takes up a lot of space. My Apple headphones, I could put that on the side where my mini pochette is, and it fits. And let's see, ooh, I have these, my Anastasia lip gloss, my new lipstick that I got for Christmas. Oh yes, I did get this bag for Christmas. And I also want to say Happy New Year, guys, because I forgot. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. So this is the Diorific Rose 0745 satin. And look how cute this is. The design on lipstick is so pretty. All right, so I'll show you how it looks with the cover on there. I got this also from Saks, and that fits in here. I'm gonna put it by the, what is it called? I'm gonna put it by my headphones. And this is the Dior lip balm and lip glow. This lip balm is so good. Definitely worth the money. I've seen it on Instagram, on YouTube, and I decided to give it a try. I'm like, hey, why not? And I absolutely love it. I will definitely buy more once it runs out. All right, that I could put next to that lipstick. And then I have the Anastasia lip gloss as well. And that could just be on the side. Let's see. I put it right by the card holder, the YSL card holder. So let me show you what's in here. We have my iPad mini, house key, car key, lipstick, lip balm, another lip gloss, mini pochette. So let's close it. And voila, it closes with no issues. Now, how much I paid for this bag? I paid, how much was it? I think it was $1,400. I had a $200 gift card. If you spent, I think Saks was having a deal. If you spend like $3,000, you get a $900 gift card. If you spend $2,000, you get a $200 gift card. So I got a $200 gift card, and I was able to get $200 sort of off this bag. So I paid with tax like probably $1,200. And the $200 gift card, I used it to buy gifts for my kids because they do have kid items at Saks, Saks.com. So I was able to get my kid a scooter, like a toy golf set, my oldest son a pair of headphones, and a laptop lap desk. So yeah, so I love this. I like this pull tab too. It's really nice. It's thick, sturdy. Everything about this bag is so good. So it has the, what's this design? Chevron design, I guess, on both sides of the bag. And the YSL logo right smack in the middle. And the beautiful silver hardware. That's how the bag looks. So let's take this out. I want to take out the iPad mini. This is how it looks with the iPad mini out. The slip pocket in the back. I'm going to put the mini pochette and see if it fits. And it does not fit, so no. But you could put, let's say, your car key, if you have this 6-ring key holder, and your clay or your key pouch, you could put it back there, but it does stick up. Yeah, it closes. But it does stick up. If you want to lay it down, you can. So I'm going to lay them both down. But once you lay it down, it takes up a lot of room because it's behind each other instead of side by side. So it'll be better if you just keep one in there, I guess. Or you could just put your wallet in the back if you don't want it in the front. So put your wallet in the back, like so. And then you have everything else, and let's put this towards the back if you want. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna also put my round coin purse. That also fits in there. Just close it up, and it closes. Let's take everything out the back pocket, because the back pocket to me is not really necessary to use. So quickly just put everything in its place. And this is how it looks. It's kind of dark in the bag, so it's hard to see. Let's see if a second mini pochette will fit in. This is where I keep my headphones and charging wire. And it does fit in there too. I would keep my headphones in that pochette. These three I probably won't carry with me, and if I do, I'll probably keep it in the Damier Bean pochette. So let's just keep the lip gloss because this mini pochette is full. And let's say I decide not to take these two. So this is 2 mini pochettes, 6 key holder, key pouch, card holder, and headphones. All in here. And it fits. I just don't like how this folds in. I don't know if you can see it. It just, to me, just looks weird. Let's just not do 2 mini pochettes because I just think that's too much. 1 is good enough. Put that in here. I just don't like my bags to be disformed. All right. So yeah, and it's lighter this way too. So yep, so that's it, guys. Oh, and this tassel, oh my god, it's so pretty. All right, guys, thanks for watching my what's in my bag and my new bag reveal, YSL Lulu in the color Asphalt. I will link the bag in the description box if it's still available. It should be. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave any comments you may have in the comment section below. Please like this video. Click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post another video. I do have another handbag coming up. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye, guys.